Hello everyone, you're welcome to Treasurable Kitchen, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make Nigeria crunchy shim. And in this recipe we'll be needing 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour. This flour has been sieved, and make sure you sieve your flour. We'll go in with half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, salt, and baking powder. Mix the solid ingredients together. I'm using the sieve to mix it together before transferring it into the bowl. Make sure you mix it very well, then transfer to the bowl. Take a spatula and mix the dry ingredients together. Please guys, where are you watching from? Do drop a like. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so when I drop a new recipe, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you. Let's continue. After thorough mixing, go in with 1 medium size of egg, melted butter, and mix together using your spatula. Cinnamon powder is optional. You can use nutmeg to replace it. Go in with 100 ml of evaporated milk. You can use any milk that you have. I'm using evaporated milk. The milk is added gradually. You go in with a little bit of milk, then you mix together using your hands to form a dough. Mix properly to form a dough. At this point, you can go in with the remaining milk and mix your dough thoroughly. Okay guys, our dough is ready. Bring out the dough. Divide your dough into 2 equal parts. Sprinkle some flour on your dressing table and roll out your dough. So guys, if you want your shim to be very crunchy, you need to make your dough very flat. Roll it to be very flat. Then you cut it into tiny bits. But if you don't want it to be very crunchy, you can make it big anyhow you want it, anyhow you prefer it to come out perfect. Guys, this shim was delicious. And the secret ingredient in this particular recipe is the cinnamon powder, guys. If you have been using nutmeg to do your chinchin, guys, please try out this cinnamon powder. You will like it. The cinnamon powder is giving it a finished touch and it tastes so nice. So guys, slice your dough using a pizza size slicer into your desired shape. If you don't have a pizza slicer, you can use your knife. You can use a small knife to cut out the shape you want. Guys, you should give this recipe a try. The chinchin tastes so good. I'll be dropping the recipe in the description box below. If you want to get the full recipe, the measurements and everything, just check the description. Everything will be there. Please guys, if you know you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and you can also share to your friends. Sprinkle some flour on top so it should be easy for you to pack. Once you're done packing, transfer to your frying pan. I've already preheated my frying oil, so transfer to your frying pan. This can fry for at most 5 minutes, but please, you always there and turn so that it does not get burned. Once you've gotten a golden brown color, that is to show that it is ready. You can now take it out from the frying pan. And guys, at this stage it will be very soft, so you have to let it cool before transferring it to your storing jar. Not the same taste with the normal ones you buy in the market. This is very, very special. It tastes so good. Believe me when I tell you, it tastes so good. Try this out. If you cannot get the full recipe, you can divide the recipe into two and make a smaller portion and see what I'm talking about. You need to give this a try and thank me later, guys. The chinchin is ready. I like it to cool down so that it's going to be strong. After frying, it will be looking a little bit soft, but once it cool down, it will be very strong. This is it, guys. Look how delicious this chinchin is looking. And very crunchy. I wish I can release the sound so you're hearing how it was sounding, but because of the background noise, I have to remove it. So guys, if you've watched to this point, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes that are complicated, but I always make them to be simple. My recipes are very simple. You can also use this for business. So guys, thanks for watching.